Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you, does Samsung Galaxy A17 have antivirus? If you're using Samsung A17 and you want to know does your phone has any antivirus, let's see how can you check that. The answer is yes, Samsung A17 has antivirus. So let's see how can you use that. Just open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for security and privacy. Here just go for app security option, tap on it, and here you will get two different settings. The first way is that app protection. This is your phone built-in feature, so you can easily use that to protect your apps. And here the second one is Google Play Protect. Just tap on it, and here just tap on scan to scan for harmful apps. Once you have that, you just have to go for app protection, then turn it on. If you haven't, tap on turn on, and then tap on scan phone. It will scan your phone for any virus or any harmful apps. So that's how you can easily use antivirus in your Samsung A16, A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.